Introducing Fatty Liver Remedy. Reverse fatty liver, lose weight and improve your overall health and well-being, fast. Here are just a few things you'll discover in Fatty Liver Remedy. Doctors predicted I would die with fatty liver. But contrarily to their prediction, I reversed my fatty liver easily, permanently and in just days. I'll show you. Dear friend, did you know that the most common disease in the world is something most of us haven't even heard of, yet it affects a whopping 2.1 billion people? That means there's a 1 in 3 chance that you have it. So if you value your health, I'd suggest that you take a few moments to answer the following questions. Do you often feel tired or weak? Do you sometimes experience back pain, abdominal pain or lower torso discomfort? Do you ever feel nauseous or suffer from a loss of appetite? Does your skin or the whites of your eyes appear yellowish in color? Do you binge drink or drink alcohol on a regular basis? Are you overweight and struggling to shift those excess pounds? Have you noticed a patchy, dark skin discoloration, usually on the neck or underarm area? Do you have bad skin and just don't know why? Do you ever suffer from abdominal pains and cramping? Do you suffer from headaches, or experience confusion, impaired judgment, or have trouble concentrating? Do you always feel hungry, and as a result, are constantly snacking on sugary or starchy foods? And finally, do you have a general feeling of ill health, and can't figure out what it might be? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then you're exactly in the right place. Because you could be suffering from the effects of a fatty liver. Fatty and healthy liver, and if you don't do anything about it now, you could end up with a much higher chance of contracting fatal diseases like cirrhosis of the liver, heart attacks, stroke, diabetes and cancer. And don't think I'm saying any of this to scare you. Here are the facts about fatty liver. Junk food. Fatty liver has become increasingly common in recent years due to the rising levels of obesity in the world. As I've already stated, it now affects more than 2.1 billion people. That's 1/3 of the entire world population. So why is this so important to your health and your life? Well, what might surprise you is that your liver is the second most important organ in your body, after the brain. It performs an incredible 800+ functions, including eliminating toxins from the body, like environmental pollutants, food additives, dead cells, alcohol, etc., producing bile, which helps carry away waste and break down fat, storing and releasing glucose for energy, clearing the blood of harmful substances, resisting infections and removing bacteria from the bloodstream, clearing bilirubin. If there is a buildup of bilirubin, the skin and eyes turn yellow. And much more, including regulating glucose, blood pressure, blood sugar, insulin, estrogen, testosterone, the immune system, and blood cholesterol production. So what does this mean? Quite simply, it means that if your liver isn't functioning at 100%, you have zero chance of being healthy. And that's because a fatty liver causes inflammation, which impairs your liver's ability to carry out its 800+ jobs in your body. The more your liver is impaired, the unhealthier you become, and the more likely you are to contract a wide range of life-threatening diseases, such as liver failure, heart attacks, stroke, diabetes, cancer, and much more. That's the simple and harsh truth. If there's one organ you should be looking after, it's your liver. But most of us don't. In fact, the typical modern diet, which is full of processed foods, chemicals, sugar and alcohol, has led to alarming rates of obesity, and is the #1 reason for the surge in cases of fatty liver. Essentially, your liver becomes full of fat, inflamed and enlarged, and can no longer do its job properly. So instead of your liver clearing out toxins, it starts to poison you. Instead of breaking down fats and assisting your metabolism, it begins to store fat, making it virtually impossible to lose weight. Instead of clearing your blood of harmful substances, it allows them to thrive and multiply. In short, your fatty liver is robbing you of your health and making it virtually impossible for you to lose weight, feel great and enjoy your life. But here's the good news. Fatty liver is reversible in almost 99% of cases. And today, I'm going to show you an all-natural way to reverse the damaging effects of a fatty liver, so you can lose weight, feel great and look years younger. You'll finally be able to reverse inflammation and damage to your liver. If left unchecked, it could lead to a range of diseases, including liver cancer or cirrhosis. Sufferers of these conditions have an extremely low life expectancy. Turn your body into a fat-burning furnace and lose weight quickly and effortlessly. Your liver is the key to losing weight, and once you unlock the door, the pounds will melt away easily. Eradicate your health problems at the source. The fact is, many of your health complaints right now can be put down to a poorly performing liver. Get your liver working correctly, and your health will dramatically improve. Give your liver the ultimate detox and eliminate the buildup of dangerous toxins that are ruining your health. Lower your risk of contracting life-threatening diseases such as heart attacks, stroke, diabetes, cancer, cirrhosis of the liver, and more, and add years to your life expectancy. Get clearer, smoother skin by removing toxins from your liver, and get rid of patchy, dark skin discolorations too. Increase vitality and energy levels, and feel like a teenager once again. Eliminate brain fog, and improve mental clarity and concentration. Defeat depression and enjoy a renewed zest for life. Going through life feeling tired, weak and lacking in energy is one of the major causes of depression. Improve your sleep and feel energized and invigorated every morning. Finally, put an end to bloating, cramps and abdominal pain. Save thousands of dollars on drugs, painkillers and other medication, which are merely masking the symptoms of your ill health, but doing nothing to fix the cause. That's right. It's time to stop wasting time and money treating the symptoms of your ill health and finally fix the cause, your fatty liver. Check it out now. Get for more information below of the description. Lawnerful.